Khalid Sheikh Mohammed and 4 co-defendants will be brought to New York to stand trial before a civilian federal court rather than a military commission. Attorney General Eric Holder told reporters in Washington that after looking over the evidence, he was confident prosecutors could win a conviction against Mohammed and his alleged co-conspirators.
After 8 years of delay, those allegedly responsible for the attacks of September the 11th will finally face justice. They will be brought to New York, to answer for their alleged crimes in a courthouse just blocks away from where the Twin Towers once stood.
Holder said he would direct prosecutors to seek the death penalty against the terror suspects if the men are convicted on the terrorism charges. Holder also said he asked the Defense Department to prosecute 5 other detainees for their alleged role in the bombing of the USS Cole in Yemen in 2000. 17 U.S. sailors died in that attack. All 10 of the defendants are held at the U.S. military base at Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, and had all faced terrorism charges before a military commission there. But now, only those tied to the attack on the USS Cole will go before a military commission. In Tokyo, President Obama spoke about the upcoming trials.
I am absolutely convinced that Khalid Sheikh Mohammed will be subject to the most exacting demands of justice.
Meanwhile, in New York, several people reacted to the news that Mohammed will be tried in the city.
These people are terrorists. We don't need to bring them to New York.
It's a good thing for world opinion that he is tried in a civil court as opposed to military.
I'm totally against that. I'm totally against closing the facilities in Cuba, and I'm totally against bringing him back.
Well, I think he can get a just trial either way.
Shortly after taking office in January, Mr. Obama signed an executive order to close Guantanamo within a year, but Holder said Friday it may be difficult to meet that deadline. More than 200 detainees remain at the military prison in Cuba, with some 90 being cleared for transfer to other countries. Attorney General Holder says he has not made a decision on the cases of the other prisoners. Chris Simkins, VOA News, Washington.